Let it rip. Go shoot. Here we go. Oh, bhai! So hey, what's up guys? So as you've seen in the thumbnail, अरे भाई कैमरा गिर क्यों जाता है? As you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to create a Beyblade Stadium using this. As you can see in the video, yeah, we're going to create a Beyblade Stadium using this. And if you have no idea what it is, so it's actually called a branch. So you can also get this from the supermarkets easily, from those type of shops where mostly plastic materials are mostly sold.
ठीक है समझ गया.
Well guys, suddenly I just realized something. If you give a good look on the branch, you can clearly see guys, this part, as you can see, it's actually kind of looking like a border of a Beyblade Stadium. So I think I no longer need to add any border on the stadium, but still guys, I'm going to cut it out because I don't want this stadium to look like a branch. So that is why I'm going to remove this extra plastic part, and then I am going to attach a new border on the stadium. Hope you understand. But in your case, you can just keep it if you want, but I'm going to remove it because I want this stadium to look unique. So that is why we're going to remove this. So karna! So guys, it's advice, while you're doing this you have to be very careful because you can clearly see I almost broke the stadium from the side. Best. Oh bhai, slowly bhai.
चीन टपाक डम डम.
ये भाई, अरे यार ये क्या हो गया?
गया.
चलो भाई काट जाओ यार. And here we go, finally guys, we did it. भाई साहब ये. Alright, we've just cut the extra plastic. Yep, not.
हाँ.
Well guys, I think you might be wondering why I am rubbing sandpaper on the surface of the branch like this. So there's a huge reason, because these holes are actually not the main issue. There's another issue, and that is the design and also the details. Well, the design is looking pretty good on the surface of the branch, but still it's not going to be that much good for the Beyblades, because guys, if you give a good look from the side, you can clearly see the design and also the details are pretty much popped out. So because of that, the surface of the stadium is actually not that much smooth, and at the end, if I still manage to block the holes of the stadium, the surface of the stadium is not going to be that much smooth enough for the Beyblades to accelerate and ride properly on the stadium. So that is why I'm trying my best to, just trying my best to make the surface of the stadium smooth enough using this sandpaper. So I'm
ठीक है.
Alright, I think this is enough. Wow. Now as you can see guys, the surface of the branch is actually pretty much smooth, and I think now the Beyblade will not get stuck, because of these details guys, the Beyblade could get stuck while spinning. So that is why I just tried my best to make it smooth enough for the Beyblades to accelerate properly on the stadium. Well done. Alright.
क्या कारीगरी है?
So we are actually out of tape. Alright guys, so here's the tape. Sorry, I just couldn't find the green one, so I just bought the blue one, and blue is my favorite color. So anyway, let's just quickly attach the extra areas with tape. So some hose pipes for the borders. So this time guys, I just bought some bigger hose pipes, as you can see, and here's the medium sized one, and also there is a smaller one. Alright, so let me just quickly take out all the hose pipes. Chalo bhai. So first guys, we're going to attach hose pipes at the bottom using this bigger hose pipe.
Five minutes later.
Let's just place it like this. Make sure we place it at the center, I mean properly. Now let's just quickly add some glue inside. Okay, itna kafi hai.
5 minutes later.
We Beyblade Stadium is almost fully ready for Beyblade battles, but still guys, we're going to attach some more hose pipes like these smaller hose pipes at the side of the stadium like this way, because I just want this stadium to look the best of the best. So let me just quickly add some more hose pipes. I know it will definitely gonna take some time, but I'm going to do it, bhai. And here we go guys, finally done sticking all the hose pipes that I need to stick. What the heck, man, this stadium actually took a long time to craft, guys, for sure. I thought that it will be so easy to create a Beyblade stadium with branch, but no guys, it's actually very tough. But yeah, the stadium is absolutely looking very premium and very unique, as you can see in the video. This is my first time I have created a stadium without knockout pockets and ring out pockets, as you can see in the video. But absolutely the stadium is looking very unique for sure. Wow guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments how it is. Let me know guys. I hope the stadium is looking perfect. Wow guys, not the best, but yeah, it's looking much better than my all other Beyblade stadiums. Such a cool looking stadium, fully silver. Okay, let's just keep it to dry. So alright everyone, now it's time to show you the final reveal, and here's our new homemade dye Beyblade stadium. Seriously guys, just imagine if someone new sees this stadium for the first time, he or she will have no idea that this stadium is actually crafted using a branch and hose pipes. Seriously guys, this is the most unique looking Beyblade stadium I have ever crafted. Absolutely looking amazing. And I know guys, there is no ring out pockets or knockout pockets on the stadium, but still without them the stadium is looking absolutely amazing. Let's do a quick spin test with our Storm Pegasus, and I'm using my modified DB metal Beyblade launcher. So yeah, Storm Pegasus is going to go very wild in the stadium. So let's just quickly do a spin test. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot, let it rip. Okay, alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1, chakkar de, let it rip, go, shoot. And here we go. Okay, not bad. Wow. As you can see guys, Storm Pegasus is performing pretty well in the stadium, but still, as I have predicted guys, sometimes Storm Pegasus is getting stuck on the lines of the stadium, as you can see these lines. So yeah, the tapes are actually pretty much thick, that is why these lines actually came out. So I don't know what to do about this, but if I can, I will attach some cost tapes. But as you can see, Storm Pegasus is losing its stamina very quickly and already lost its stamina. Rip, let it rip. Oh bhai. Oh wow, Storm Pegasus versus Ray Unicorn or Race Striker. Oh wow, let it rip, go shoot. Here we go. Oh bhai, oh bhai, bro, what just happened? ये क्या हो गया भाई?
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
Dude, and here's the parts. Oh भाई, इसका तो पूरा एनर्जी नहीं टूट गया भाई.
मैं तो टूट गया
भाई, तोड़ डाला, पूरा फोड़ डाला. Wow. 3, 2, 1, let it rip, go shoot, chakkar de chakkar. I think guys 4 bays is enough to do Beyblade Battle Royals, and here we go, ring out finish. So yeah, the knockout is pretty much working. The base can still do knockouts. Alright, subscribe. Stadium तो भाई बना लिया, और साथ में भाई एक Beyblade भी मैंने खो दिया. I made a Beyblade Stadium and also lost my Cosmic Pegasus.
So just do it.